women's in fact like on the stage and actually we were feeling a little awkward आप ही और
नहीं,
राजीव
बिल्कुल
के साथ में थोड़ा
नहीं, आई एम वेरी सिक्योर इन माई मैनहुड।
इमरान अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने कहा कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे अवार्ड्स देने में लेकिन अवार्ड्स लेने में नहीं
जी।
तो ऐसा कोई अवार्ड जिसकी आशा आप हमेशा रखते हैं कि हाँ यार मुझे मिले आपको मिल जाएगा
बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड अवार्ड।
Imran, this event is also about celebrating, women power and women achievers. So, in your life, right from your mother or your teachers, how many women, which are the women who inspired you while growing up?
Honestly, no one has inspired me. Well, apart from my mother, I had my class teacher in class 10. So, Ms. Padmini, if you're watching this, thank you very much. But yeah, as you said, first and foremost, my mom. She's the toughest, deadliest woman that I've ever known.
And Mother's Day is just around the corner, and Avantika.
निकल गया Mother's Day.
And
She's not a mom yet.
yeah.
You're behind with your information. She's expecting. अभी तक मम्मी नहीं बनी.
And your mother, so how is it going? Is there going to be a special something for the lady?
A special something for the ladies. I'm hoping that there's a third special lady. Keep your fingers crossed.
and Imran this particular style would just like talking puff and yeah this is not particular
The next movie for?
पता नहीं.
just for a change
नहीं मेरे क्यों आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा?
अच्छा
I think it's damn stylish. That's why I did it.
that's what I'm saying
नहीं. My next film I'm not starting shooting until after the baby is born. So this is a hairstyle just because I think it looks cool.
इमरान बहुत सारे यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज दिखाया गया, क्या फ्यूचर में डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में काम करेंगे?
एक प्रोफेशनल एक्टर डॉक्यूमेंट्री में काम थोड़ी ना कर सकते हैं ना. डॉक्यूमेंट्री इज अबाउट रियल पीपल.
बट आजकल बहुत सारे एक्टर्स कर रहे हैं अच्छा
कौन कर रहे हैं?
Okay, but in just talking in like
अच्छा लगता
it's a trend like
है. पता नहीं
they just don't they actors in Hollywood.
अब ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं. अगर कोई मुझे आज करे तो ज़रूर करूँगा. If somebody wants. हाँ? गलत सुनने में आया. दोनों गलत हैं.
fit or slim and fit लग रही है in fact like
भाई
working on your
मैं जिम जाता हूँ, मैं योगा करता हूँ. आई थिंक फिटनेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Okay, Imran,
एब्स अच्छे खासे हैं लेकिन आज मैंने सूट पहना है वरना दिखा देता हूँ.
Imran, lastly, your thoughts on motherhood and how special it is and how special your mom is to you.
I've not had the opportunity to be a mother yet in life, so
You know what?
so it's not fair for me to comment here. I mean, मैं तो कह सकता हूँ कि बड़ी अच्छी बात है, it's great, but then until you're actually carrying a baby around for 9 months, you don't know how tough it is. So I can say all sorts of things, but it would only be
Especially
speculation.
about your mom, definitely you can share.
That's very personal, yeah. Thank you all very much. Good night. Thanks everyone. Good night.
शोल्डर ठीक है, वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाता हूँ अभी भी मैं, गाड़ी नहीं चला पा रहा हूँ, बट इस तरह के फंक्शन ज़रूर अटेंड कर पा रहा हूँ.
वुमेन्स एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बॉलीवुड को कितना लगता है आपको बहुत ज़्यादा उनको
जिस तरह से विमेन ऊपर बढ़ती जा रही हैं, वी मेन नीड टू गेट वरीड. सो या आई थिंक दे आर लाइक रियली प्रूविंग देयर मेटल. बहुत ही एक क्या बोलते हैं एग्जाम्पलरी तरीके से जो विमेन हैं इंडस्ट्री के अंदर आगे बढ़ती जा रही हैं. कहा जाता था किसी समय कि ये मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री है, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इट इज़ एनी मोर अ मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री. वी हैव इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन फ्रॉम विमेन इज वेल.
आज बहुत सारे एक्टर के सपना होता है कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री में काम करें. हमारे कोई आपकी प्लानिंग है डॉक्यूमेंट्री काम करने की? बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाया गया.
हाँ, बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज दिखाएंगी. मेरी डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाने की बहुत बड़ी तमन्ना है कि मैं वापस एक बार डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाऊं. मैंने पहले कभी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बनाई थी जब मैं एक्टिंग से पहले, लेकिन इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्मों को देखने के बाद लगता है कि मैं भी शायद कभी कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म बनाऊं.
राजीव ऐसी कौन सी 2 बातें जो लड़कियां कर सकती है और लड़के नहीं कर सकते अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग गेटिंग प्रेग्नेंट?
बहुत दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ऐसी जो लड़कियां कर सकती हैं. 2 ही क्यों, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. आई डोंट थिंक कि जाना दो, बहुत सारी दिमाग में चीज़ें आती हैं.
Rajiv, women, Mother's Day is around the corner.
Yeah.
So tell us how much of an inspiration has your mom been and how special?
My mother has been a very silent, source of inspiration for me. She's always been there. She's never been very vocal about it, but her constant presence throughout my journey has been an immense source of strength for me. Even though she lives in Jaipur, I wasn't really interacting much with her when I left my house, but I knew that she's there always, hoping that I come back successful. Hoping that someday I'll make her proud of the fact that I'm her son. So now I think after a few years, when she started seeing me more and when recognition started coming in, I knew that the only person who was genuinely proud of me was my mother.
why do we see you very after Samrat, how often will we be seeing you in fact like बहुत फिल्म जाते फिर आप
I know. I'm trying my level best to make my appearances more frequent. I am hoping that now I will not disappear for the longest time. I'm also hoping that I keep coming back more often for all those people who like watching my work. But yeah, I'm not a very party animal. I'm not a very social animal. So it becomes very difficult for me to appear in a public place where my fans could see me, only because I don't socialize much, I don't party much. But I'm hoping that a lot of my work will come very soon in front of my fans, where they get to see me more often. Yeah.
I really salute this women power, and I'm very happy to know that Petrina is doing such great work. और ये जो community feel है एक WIFT का, this is a very important thing. Women can connect in a very big way, and people from all walks of life can connect. ऐसा नहीं कि film and television के अलावा भी बहुत लोग हैं जो जुड़ रहे हैं इससे, और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही important focus और एक platform है women के लिए, और मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी था, ये बहुत दिन से होना चाहिए था, and it is doing so well. Or Petrina has requested me to do the Kolkata chapter, so we are starting the Kolkata chapter next month. Or Kolkata, maybe we are doing this kind of connectivity with the global audience can connect. So मुझे लगता है कि आज जो Petrina ने किया, मतलब ये जो organization ने किया कि national awardees को impetus देना, इतना awards देना, इतना aspirations देना, ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, हम सबके लिए ज़रूरी है. हम काम करते हैं थोड़ा सा impetus के लिए, थोड़ा सा desire के लिए, तो ये जो fulfillment है, ये एक अलग ही fulfillment है. मुझे लगता है कि women का ये fulfillment और ये जो desires fulfill हो रहा है WIFT से, this is very very commendable.
बहुत सारे एक्टर जो डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में काम करने में लगते हैं, तो क्या सोच रहे हो आपको देख सकते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्री?
मुझे तो आई एम काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड टुडे. व्हाट आई सॉ, इतना अच्छा डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हुआ कि नेशनल अवार्ड में इतना ज़्यादा जगह मिले, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं भी कभी शामिल हो सकती हूँ. अगर ऐसा सब्जेक्ट और ऐसा कुछ सोशल कॉज और एप्ट कुछ सब्जेक्ट लगे, तो मैं कभी भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री में भी आ सकती हूँ.
So how do you see the woman power in film industry and the television industry?
See, I think this has improved in leaps and bounds, and मुझे लगता है कि like it has been there always, but it was in a very docile and dormant stage. But now it's all vocal, and it's all out there, and women have made a statement in a very sort of dominating way. And I must say that this has been done with lot of conscious effort, and मुझे लगता है this awareness is there, and women are really up there to do certain things, and they have really rolled up their sleeves and said we have to do it, and we are there. So nobody can write off a woman right now, because they are too much powerful, and I think they're at par with men now, even better than men, because I think women wisdom works even better.
The first woman that we all look up to and get inspired by is our mother. So tell us about your mother. How much has she been an inspiration to you?
That's wonderful. I mean, mother is something very special and precious to everyone. I think the emotions of a mother cannot be replaced by anything. She's the one who has connected and bonded from the day one we are in this world. And I think mother is something which has to be kept in a very special way, very auspicious way, very lovely way, very giving way. I think mother is giving us everything unconditionally. So that unconditional love for all the mothers should be there.
Sorry, I can't help notice the scars on your cheek. What is with that?
What? I think somebody has kissed me.
Thank you.
Much of the Bollywood film actually a little bit away from the Bollywood film. What's happening?
See, I was always focusing in my regional cinema, and Bengal has been my forte. So, but Bollywood has been off and on with me. But I think I've done some interesting films in Bollywood. But this year, 2 of my movies are coming up. One is Tere Aane Se with Purav Kohli and Hitan Tejwani. That is directed by another Bengali director, Agnidev Chatterjee. It's a love story of 30 years of span. And then my film with Vinay Pathak is still stuck. Warner Brothers film, that SRK. So I'm looking forward for the Kolkata Junction is another film which is coming up with KK Menon, Jimmy Shergill, Nasruddin Shah. That is also up for release. And then I'm working for another film called Extraordinary, which is again, I'm a groomer of 10 underprivileged girls, and I'm a mentor for them, winning the pageant. So that kind of cinema I'm doing. So I'm looking forward for some good cinema in Bollywood as well. And recently my 2-3 films in Calcutta, in Bengal, has done very well. Last year my film was in Cannes Film Festival. So I'm trying.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.